launch action. Guys, we have absolutely loved our time with the RAM TRX, but tomorrow it gets picked up. So it's time for us to shoot our final video with this awesome truck, again showcasing how spectacular the Universal Mufflers are. This truck, factory exhaust manifolds, it's got cat delete pipes, it's got free flow cornerstone delete pipes in the midsection, and it has our valve Universal Mufflers dual kit, single in, single out. We're gonna show you guys how wild it sounds with the valves open with some tunnel runs, and then how reserved and perfect it is with the valves closed. This truck is almost 128 decibels loud. It's amped, but you got the control. Let's hear it. Hat's getting sold with the car, unfortunately. We gotta make this rodeo last one more time. Launch action. Little valves close action. Now with the valves closed, all the noise is gone, but all you get is valves closed. It's amazing, the flexibility. You get huge intake noise and no exhaust. When I open it,
we got our tunnel coming up. And this is $600, by the way.
yeah, this
$600.
and you know what? And the cornerstone bypasses are $400.
Yeah.
Bye.